Once your machine's done booting up from loading your graphics files, it's going to come to this screen. And what we want to do to get into our management functions is we're going to do enter, clear, cancel, 1, 2, 3. And that'll bring us to our operator functions. And we're going to enter our default password again, which is 6 5s. And then once we're in our management functions, we're going to go to our operator functions menu. So we're going to go to customer setup. We're going to go to our advertisement page. And then from there, we're going to go to our welcome advertisement. If we want a welcome advertisement, you can do a transaction advertisement and also coupons. So we have a welcome advertisement. So we'll go to our welcome advertisement. And then so we have our files are ADV2 and ADV5. So we have the screen 2. We'll enable that. Enable. And then we'll cancel to return. And then our screen 5, we'll enable that as well. And then we'll cancel to return. So right here we have screen 5 and screen 2 enabled. So whatever you name your ADV in your files is correlating to what screen number it is. So then we'll just back all the way out. And once your machine's done loading, hopefully our graphic screens will be showing up on our page any moment.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.